Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Ubiquiti Protect cameras to new UniFi account, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer Ubiquiti Protect cameras to a new UniFi account, start by ensuring that you have access to both the old and new UniFi accounts. Log into your existing UniFi Protect account. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of the interface. Select the Cameras section from the Settings options. Identify the camera you wish to transfer. Click on the camera to open its specific settings. Look for the option that says Remove Camera or similar. Confirm the removal of the camera from the old account. Take note of the camera's UID, which may be required for re-adding the camera in the new account. Now log out of the old UniFi Protect account. Next, log into your new UniFi account. Once logged in, navigate to the Camera section of the new account. Select the option to add a new camera. Follow the prompts to begin the setup process. When prompted, enter the UID of the camera you removed from the old account. Ensure that the camera is powered on and connected to the same network as the new UniFi Protect setup. Complete the setup prompts to add the camera to your new account. Verify that the camera appears in the camera list of the new account. Test the live feed to confirm that everything is functioning properly. Repeat these steps for any additional cameras you wish to transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.